What's up, Affordable Armory folks? We got another unboxing today. I'm pretty dang excited. Look at this. Yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna open her up. Inside the box, you got the gun. This is the Palmetto State Armory GF3 AK47. Got a chamber plug in here. It's got Magpul furniture on it on the front, Magpul stock on the rear. All right, what else we got in here? We got a sticker from Palmetto State Armory. We got a receipt. We got a youth handgun safety notice. And in this here bag, we've got a 30-round PMag. We've got a cable lock. And we've got a manual. Cool, so that's the unboxing. I'm pretty excited. We're at the range, so I'm gonna go in here and do the first shots. See you in a minute. All right, here we go. First shots with the Palmetto State Armory GF3 AK47. I'm using Wolf 7.62x39. This is steel cased, non-corrosive ammo with a lead core soft tip. Here we go. Check it out. Alright, let's try again. Okay, that's much better. At least I'm on the target now. I don't know where the fifth one is, but there's 4 right there in a row. So I guess I'll adjust that front sight post. Alright, there's 10 more rounds. Let's see how they were. Alright, cool. So you can see I was aiming basically where that black line is. That's probably 8 inches low, and I was putting them where they should go. So I'll have to adjust the sights on these. I don't have the time to do it right now, but not bad. So I'm going to shoot the target now, 5 yards, 15 rounds, we call it good. Alright, got 15 rounds loaded in the mag, here we go. Alright, let's have a look at the target. Alright, so again, I was aiming for about the bottom of the circle. I was hitting right in the middle of it. So I'll just have to bring out the tool to adjust the front sight next time. But working pretty good with some Kentucky windage. So I have to say, I'm liking the Palmetto State Armory GF3 so far. Alright. Okay, there you have it. The unboxing and first impressions of the Palmetto State Armory GF3 AK47. This was a lot of fun. It was also a learning experience. I was able to hit the paper despite not having the tool to zero the sights here. So I'll get that in and do a follow-up video and show you guys how that's done and shoot it some more. So far, I really like this gun. It was fun to shoot, and I look forward to the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram @AffordableArmory and see some behind the scenes stuff as well as what we're working on in the future. All right.